Hello and welcome back to a new vlog. It's Sunday again. I always seem to vlog on a Sunday at the moment. And it's later on in the afternoon now. Rick has taken the boys ice skating. I stayed here with Finley. I don't know if you can hear, but I haven't been very well. And Finley hasn't been great this week either. So if you watched last week's vlog, on Sunday night, straight after we filmed that, probably about 10 o'clock, I started editing the vlog. And I had edited a bit of it, and I just felt like I couldn't carry on. It sounds a bit dramatic, but I just was felt so tired and like... Yeah, that's when we last vlogged. I felt so unwell, like, you know when your eyes start to burn, and my head felt all groggy, and my body started feeling like achy, and I was like, oh no, this isn't good. Woke up the next morning and I was bad. So we're nearly a week since that night now, and I still feel pretty rough, but better than I did. Hopefully Finn's getting there as well. He's crying right now. That's because he's waiting for a yogurt.
Yum! You're supposed to be feeding him.
Feeding his yogurt.
No, he was, and now he's eating it himself. Look, he goes, little bit for Finley. No, don't eat it!
No!
He's teasing you, isn't he?
No. So yeah, back to vlogging again today. The boys have been ice skating. Did I just say that? Yeah, I did just say that. The boys have been ice skating, so I'm going to put some clips in now because I know Rick vlogged of what they got up to. So I was a little bit sad to miss it, but I haven't missed anything else this week. We went to Santa's Grotto on Friday. Managed to get to Archie's rock concert at school.
On that day, the school closed, didn't it?
Oh, yeah. So this week has definitely been hectic. It was that week that I really wanted to get loads of stuff done. Hello, Pippin. And of course, didn't work out that way because when does it ever? But I thought, oh, maybe by the end of the week, sort of Thursday, Friday, I'll be feeling better and I'll be able to get some stuff done. Well, the boys' school lost its heating and water, so I think all the pipes froze because obviously the snow, and that was it. They were home for Christmas 2 days early.
I think it was the day it was -6.
Yeah, I'm sure you know if you live in the UK, but we've just had this crazy cold spell this week. Let me slowly turn around so don't make you too dizzy. That's the garden currently. Ice is definitely melting. Our snowmen are looking quite worse for wear.
It's melting a lot today, it's rain.
Yeah, it's rain today.
It's the first day we've actually had rain, I think, isn't it, since it's snowed?
Well, it's starting to look a little bit like what's the word? Sludgy snow. I don't think I vlogged it when it looked all beautiful out there, did I? It wasn't like that on Sunday night. It just started snowing. That's it.
When we come, because we didn't get it, did we? And then we come down and we had like 4 inches.
Yeah, I showed you guys what the snow looked like in the dark, but in the morning, it just looks so stunning out there. But anyway, I think it's gonna get a bit warmer this week, and that'll be goodbye to the snow. But I think it's been really lovely to have it before Christmas because it's usually after Christmas we get it. So I really wanted to put up the last of the decorations because it's a week before Christmas, and believe it or not, I still have a few to do. And I want to show you the Snug. So the Snug isn't done as in there's no furniture apart from the furniture my dad's built. And there's no.
I've decided we're just going to get those giant bean bags. Have you seen
Yeah, it's pretty good in there just to be completely empty. The boys love it. But yeah, we haven't decorated it. I haven't put anything on the shelves. But I really want to show you what it looks like because from what it was before, it's completely different and a big transformation. So we'll look at that in a minute. So we're on a bit of a time crunch to get this room done because I kind of purposefully booked in the carpet. So I knew that it would make, like speed the process up basically. So my dad had been working on the unit. Bless him, it meant that Rick had to paint the whole room and he did a few nights staying up till 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, which was amazing. I felt so bad because I couldn't help him. But it got it done. And on Friday, the carpet fitter came, did the carpet, and this is where we're at. So I'll show you the before. This room, if you remember, was our downstairs bathroom. So
no, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, it was our kitchen.
No. What was this door to though?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, the door was to our
I'm trying to make
downstairs
it look more impressive than it is. So you're,
Oh yeah, I suppose we wasn't going through this door last time, was
yeah,
it?
like the transformation is the fact that you open the door and it's not a tiny downstairs toilet.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Gotcha.
you've ruined it now.
Sorry.
I'm joking. So let's go and have a look. Yeah, I'll show you the before and then I'll show you the after. Ta-da! This is our new Snug. So it's not the best light because it's the afternoon and because we're in the UK and it's winter, it's already dark. So it would have looked better if I'd shown you this in the early morning. But anyway, this is what it's looking like. I'm so pleased with it. So Dad built this unit. It looks absolutely fantastic. Again, the light's probably making the colour of it look a bit odd, but this is Treron, the colour of our kitchen island. I just wanted to have this somewhere else, and I've never had
A lot of people
dark...
asked me on my Instagram for the colour of that.
Oh, did they?
Yeah,
it's green, but on the camera I feel like it's looking grey.
I also mentioned that we didn't buy it from Faribault, we got it mixed from B&Q.
Oh, we did this time, yeah, and it is quite... I think it's similar to the
Yeah, I
kitchen.
think it's a good match.
But because it's in a completely different room, it didn't have to completely match. But anyway, I've got this lovely light which you can't really see. Let me see if you can see it if I turn the light off. I just went for this distressed white with a bit of gold brass coming through, and it's got 5 little arms on the chandelier, so I'm proud with that. The rest is pretty much a blank canvas at the moment. Hopefully where Rick and Elliot are sitting over there, we're going to have a corner sofa. Or giant bean bags, but we've got to find something yet. And they have just all been loving having this space to play in. It's nice to have one room carpeted downstairs as well because it's more cosy. As always, we've got to finish bits off, like the radiator pipes need to be covered.
The windows need to be cleaned.
The windows need to be cleaned and we're waiting for our blind. Not sure how easy it is to tell from the before and after, but sort of from this column here, sort of in this little space about here, this was our downstairs toilet and this is the exact same doorway. So we still do have the downstairs toilet bathroom window here, which we thought we might as well keep because it lets more light in, but we knew we were going to have the door, which isn't painted yet, close into it that way. So it actually just blocks it quite well and just was the easiest option. So I'm pleased with that. I think we might put a bookshelf or something behind there. And then this, if you can believe it, just was our kitchen. I can't believe that this was our kitchen and there was a doorway here. So yeah, I'm really excited to style all of this, my favourite bit. And then this is going to be good storage for the boys' toys. Hopefully we can get a nice rug. There'll probably be more storage in here as well. And it will just be a nice place to watch movies. Oh, and we got these lights put in as well because I thought they looked really nice. Having this room done is so amazing to have it done before Christmas. My dad worked so hard on these units. Ricky worked so hard on the painting and it all came together. Just to show you though that we're not quite there yet, we'll have a look in what will be the boot room. This is how the hallway's looking. It's painted at the top. Now everything looks blue. Sorry guys. Painted at the top, it's not painted at the bottom, so that's one of the next jobs, and like coving and stuff. And yeah, this room, my paint swatches are still there, and it is full of stuff. But this is one of the next rooms to tackle. So it's all built, you've seen it before. It just needs to be painted and the floor needs to go down. So we're not quite there, but we're getting there. So it's a little while later now. Ricky is making dinner. And it's getting quite festive in this house because we're having a little grazing board, aren't we? Yeah. This looks incredible.
Well, I'll do it quick,
Hang on, I'm going to show you.
Camembert. The camembert's going to go hard.
Camembert.
That's probably a thing already.
Where's this from?
Aldi.
This is a Aldi, is it?
It is all Aldi.
You have to taste test it before Christmas, obviously.
I know Archie's going to like this, that's why I got extra.
Yeah. Oh, I do love a grazing board. Eat any leftovers whilst we watch the movie tonight. So we're watching This Is Christmas. It is our December movie to review for Sky Cinema, but I have actually already watched it myself because I, like I said, wasn't feeling very well this week and just wanted something really Christmassy and cosy to watch, and it did not disappoint. That is the exact kind of film I wanted to watch. So This Is Christmas is a British film. It's basically a story about friendship and love and just people that maybe never would have met or connected finding each other. So Adam and Emma are the main characters, and they commute into London every day on the train, as well as lots of other passengers. There's quite a few actors in it, actors and actresses that you'll probably recognise. Yeah, as most people on the train do, none of them really talk to each other or acknowledge each other. But Adam has an idea one day that he wants to get everybody together for a Christmas party, and he just wants them to all interact and find out about each other's lives. And at first they're all quite like hesitant, but again, without giving too much of the film and the story away, it's about how they all kind of do connect with each other. You find out, sorry, this baby just definitely wants to get down. You find out a lot about their stories and their lives and how it's all kind of like interwoven. It's a very clever film, and it does have that sort of, for me anyway, that sort of like Love Actually kind of ensemble cast feel to it. And I feel like it's one of those Christmas films I'll want to watch each Christmas. Yeah, it was just lovely. It was so heartwarming, comforting, just a perfect cosy Christmas film to sit there with some nice food or chocolates and a drink and watch it. So I'm going to watch it again this evening with Ricky because I loved it so much. So we're going to, hopefully if we can get the boys to bed, watch that this evening. I cannot believe that we're in December. I've done a whole year of movie reviews with Sky Cinema, and it has been absolutely amazing. They've been so fantastic to work with. They've let me pick the films and just really gone with it with like my content ideas, and it's just felt so nice and natural to work with them. Like I said before, we've had Sky since the day we moved in together into our little cottage. So yeah, it's just been a great partnership this year, and I've absolutely loved it. So thank you so much, Sky, for working with me. This year has just gone so quick. I can't believe that's 12 months gone. But yeah, don't forget to check out This Is Christmas. Definitely watch it this week. It's a really, really good one. I'm going to go and get things. He's a bit upset. I'll leave the link to the trailer below, so please go and check it out and watch it on Sky Cinema this Christmas. I honestly think grazing boards are one of my favourite things about Christmas. Like, I could eat these every single day. They're my favourite. Aren't they yours? Mm-hmm. You're very good at putting them together as well.
I'm not sure about that, but...
What are these?
Chorizo pigs in blankets.
Oh. So, I am going to decorate the mantelpiece now. We still haven't done this, so we need to try and get the rest of the house Christmassy-fied, because it is nearly Christmas. fireplace is done. I'm so pleased with how it's all looking. It's just like really coming together. I might still make one more stocking, although there is only 5 of us. I just thought it needed to be equal on each side, but really it doesn't. So we have 5. I've loved making them so much though, so I probably will just make more for the fun of it. I'm such a loser. But yeah, it's turned out really nicely.
We even got a real Christmas tree.
Ricky even went and foraged some Christmas tree from the garden. Not a lot, just a tiny little 2 little sprigs, but smells good. The only thing ruining the look for me is the World Cup final above. We've got a couple of Murnane Christmas trees. This was the Dunelm stocking that I got, and then it was really good that I found that on the day I was getting all my fabric and stuff and finding fabric, because I basically use this as my template for all my stockings. I actually need to iron that one, but that's not a today job. This is just a couple of old garlands actually that we've just wrapped together. I might add some more eucalyptus and bits and bobs in, because I've got some sprigs of it upstairs, and then we might put some more pine in. I don't know. Just finished the ends off nicely, didn't it? And then that's that dog stocking I got from TK Maxx, but I absolutely love it. It's the William Morris pattern.
Make another stocking for.
2 more, yeah, for the dogs.
Make another one for us. No, and leave that one for the dogs, because that's actually a dog stocking.
Yeah, but then I could make 2 more. I could have 7. And I made that one. I like the fluffy one. Oh, and then I got this. I think, well, I did start to film a DIY, but Story of My Life, didn't get to finish it.
Story of my life.
These bells were red.
Sorry.
All right, Harry. You're right over there.
One Direction. Oh, sorry.
It's all right, Bubba. Oh, he's just not feeling good, is he? These bells were red. You can slightly see inside. And I used this stuff called Rub and Buff, and I made them gold, so that worked out really well. And it had this bow on the front, so it was like all red. And I just thought, it's lovely. I'm going to keep this, like, just in case we go for these colours in another year, because they're very traditional. But I just added this sort of mustard coloured velvet ribbon, and I'm really pleased with how that looks. So the room is still somewhat of a mess, but there's little areas which are just, I personally think, look really lovely now. Elliot's sitting in the fire. It's not real, don't worry guys if you couldn't tell. Don't let my child sit at a real lit fire.
You still have the fire on for a minute?
It's not even got the heating on, it's just the...
You should turn it on.
Really? It's quiet then? Is the heating on?
Oh, is that heat coming out?
Don't sit that close to it though, Bubba.
I don't think there is. So I'm just putting Finley to bed. He has chosen his favourite book, which is Where's Spot? And he even points at it down on the shelf, and I'm sure he's making the sound. Not quite saying it, but he's definitely making the sound. So we're just going to read a bit of this whilst Kate's doing his bottle and clearing up, and then he will be going to bed. Is he under the stairs? No, said the lion. There's Spot. He's under the rug. Is it not him? No, it's not Spot, is it? Try the basket, said Mr. Tortoise. So Sally tried the basket. There he is. We found him. Say peekaboo, Spot. One more page. Good boy, Spot. Eat up your dinner. There's Mummy and Spot, isn't it?
Good evening guys. I just wanted to finish off the vlog, because as I said earlier, we're going to sit and watch This Is Christmas now. Rick's going to watch it for the first time, and I'm going to watch it again because I just really want to get cosy. I just wanted to apologise if this vlog hasn't been amazing today. Just still like feeling quite rough, and you always feel worse in the evening, don't you, when you're not very well. So anyway, I think I'm going to call it a day on the vlog, and we're going to watch this. The boys took a while to get to bed, so it's a bit late, so yeah, we're going to watch this now and start the festive week. 7 days to go, and I will see you again very soon. Don't forget to check out the trailer for This Is Christmas, sit and watch it this week because it's really, really lovely. And I hope you all have an amazing Christmas if I don't see you before. Hopefully I'll have another video up for you before then, and I will see you again very soon. Don't forget to leave me a little comment and a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already and you want to, of course. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.